Hello everybody, and today, yes, I am outside on this beautiful day and recording this intro video. Birds singing, etc. Okay, so today it is all about Google Chrome web browser, and when opening magnet links inside of it, yeah, I hate pop-up window showing up all the time. So today I will show you the quick way how to add the checkbox on the pop-up window. So you just check it, and when you open the magnet link, it will always open in your favorite torrent client. Yeah, simple as that. This checkbox, yeah, was in some of the previous versions of Google Chrome, but they removed it. But it is now time for today to bring it back. So let's just start, right? Let's go. So here I have the website inside Google Chrome web browser, and this website is just for presentation purposes only, and have few magnet links to, let's say, click on it. So when you click magnet link, it shows up the pop-up window, open microtorrent, and cancel. Remember that I already have installed microtorrent torrent client on my computer. That is why it says open microtorrent. This pop-up will not show if you do not have torrent clients installed, any of them, or you have torrent client installed and it is not set as default magnet program opener. So, in earliest versions of Google Chrome, I do not remember until which version it was, but on this pop-up window it was also checkbox that you could check it, open it, and every single next time Google Chrome would not show you this window, this pop-up window, okay. And today I will show you how to quickly fix this thing by creating a registry file and just save it, open it, import it, and that's it. Don't worry, it is very easy. It is easier than it sounds like right now, but you know what, let's go on doing it. This pop-up, I will just click cancel for now, minimize the web browser, and here I have already created a registry file, and here is the content of the registry file. Remember that you can download the registry file from the description below this video. Just click on it and download it and skip this first part of creation. Of course, download it if you trust me enough. Okay, sorry guys. So to create the registry file, it is very easy. First, you need to have extensions for the files enabled, so the extensions will show. If does not, go to the File Explorer or click on this PC, doesn't matter which one. Go to the View tab here and make sure that file name extension is checked. Yes. Next step is to create a text file. So, somewhere empty, just right mouse button click, go to New and click on Notepad++ document. In your case, it may say a little bit different, let's say maybe text document, notepad document, or whatsoever. Just click on it. And as you see here, new text document.txt. txt is the extension. So I will just say, let's say, Chrome magnet always open box. Doesn't matter, and press enter key. Now I will just open it, or you just can right mouse button click and edit whatever you want. I will select this whole text, which you can find in the description below this video. Right mouse button click on the selected text, click copy, go to this empty file, right mouse button, click and paste inside here. Go to File, Save, so this file is saved. Now I can close it. And the final step is just to rename .txt to .reg. However it is called correctly. So, right mouse button, click on the file, rename, go to end of the extension, remove txt, and just type reg. Press enter key on the keyboard, and it tells you if you really want to rename it. I will click yes, and that's it. So now it is just the time just to open it. This window pops up, click yes, click OK, and that's it. Now you just go into the Google Chrome web browser and see if the checkbox is in. It should be. So let's open up Google Chrome back. I click magnet link, and here it is. Always open links of this type of associated app. Just check on it, click open microtorrent, and that's it. It will always open inside the torrent. Let's say click another just for confirmation. You see, it is here. But remember that in some cases you will not need to restart your web browser. Just close it up completely and reopen it for this setting to take into the account. Another thing that I want to tell you is that here I have 3 different licenses for Edge, Chrome and Chromium. So this modification takes place for all 3 web browsers. If you want only for Chrome, then just remove these 2 lines and these 2 lines, and just insert these 2 and this 1 line. Simple. Just remove what you do not want, or just leave it for all of the web browser. It is all up to you. And I've come to the end of this video. Don't forget to give thumbs up if you like the video. If you did not like the video, thumbs down. Of course, subscribe to my channel and click bell icon to get notified about new videos. Yeah, and share with others so others can learn too. In other words, also, if you want to say something, just to ask something, if you did not understand something or whatsoever, just type everything below this video in the comment section. And until next time, have a blast, people. Bye bye.